Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two popular grooming tools, the Ufree Foil Shavers and the GLAKER Hair Clippers. Both products are designed for men and offer cordless operation, but they cater to slightly different needs. In this video, we'll explore their functionalities, blade types, and included accessories to help you determine which one is the best fit for your grooming routine. Let's dive in. The Ufree Foil Shavers are designed primarily for shaving and beard trimming, featuring a powerful motor and versatile blades. In contrast, the GLAKER Hair Clippers focus on hair cutting, offering a range of guard combs for various styles. Both tools are cordless and rechargeable, making them convenient for use at home or on the go. The Ufree Foil Shavers utilize titanium T-blades and double foil blades for a smooth shave, while the GLAKER hair clippers are equipped with stainless steel blades designed for efficient hair cutting. This difference in blade types highlights the specific grooming tasks each product excels at. The Ufree Foil Shavers come with a few essential accessories, including hair combs and a replacement foil head. On the other hand, the GLAKER hair clippers offer a more extensive kit, including 15 guide combs, a barber cape, and other useful tools, making it a more versatile option for hair cutting. In conclusion, both the Ufree Foil Shavers and GLAKER hair clippers have unique features that cater to different grooming needs. If you're looking for a close shave and trimming capabilities, the Ufree is a great choice. However, if you need a versatile tool for hair cutting, the GLAKER is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.